Welcome back to Blabbergist, my wonderful people. You don't read though, they say for our mama and the other villages for inside Southeast now, no be small thing. They say that the Biafra Liberation Army and ESN and the non-government, as everybody, we carry gun for Southeast, so those security men, they say they don't go agree. My people, you don't read. And do you know what thing can happen? Person where they fund this thing now, you know that man where they call Shakawa be waiting, we be say, in they work with Boko Haram and the other ones for inside Nigeria. They say this man that device Southeast leader, so say may they carry go and give more youth, may they go first ESN and the IPOB. My people, it already though, as it stand right now, waiting they happen now for inside that one man no be small thing. I go play the video, may you watch and also listen to waiting one of Biafra government in exile talk, may you hear waiting they happen for this last one. My people, it don't read though for inside Southeast. You know, say if we they talk and say things something where they happen us, they go see use our own people come fight us. Now waiting they watch the video.
Yes! Who say man know that we them is out? Are we them is out? Where them they? Where them they? Where them they? Are we them is out? Who say man know them men they? No, no sabi. Oh, that's just video. Apa, queda.
Yes, I want Nigerian government to know that as long as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu remains in DSSS dungeon, after all the court pronouncements of his freedom, nothing will ever work in Nigeria and in the Southeast. Nothing, absolutely nothing, because we are tired of we are going to meet Tinubu, we are going to talk to the government, we are trying to see the Attorney of Federation so that they will do something, they will fix his dates of hearing and all whatnot. Why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is undergoing this punishment is because he's an Igbo man, and everybody should hear that. And everybody should know this, that because of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is an Igbo man, that is why he's undergoing this kind of evil treatments by the so-called drug lord, President Tinubu. Now, I also want Tinubu to understand, no matter the negotiation you are negotiating with Finland, any government officials in the world, you can never be productive with whatever you are planning. You can never. I'm telling you, Tinubu, you can never be productive because you are a drug lord, you are a certificate forger, a criminal, and a thief, a kleptomaniac. That is who Tinubu is. We don't paint words here. We tell you the simple truth. Selena, whatever, Celine or whatever, came from Finland, and then your media propaganda started. Oh, they are coming to have bilateral agreements on how to extradite Ekpa to Nigeria, on how Ekpa is being. You know you are lying. You people know you are criminals. You are trying to deceive the world because Tinubu is a thief. If you have channeled all this, your energy of wanting to bring Simon Ekpa, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu down, the agitation in the Southeast now, if you have channeled all these things to the insecurity in the Southeast, the insecurity in Nigeria, the hunger in Nigeria, people would have said, oh, you are doing a great work. But you channeled all this, your energy to the Igbos that are speaking out the evil that you people are doing in Nigeria. And Christopher Musa, you don't even know what is coming, do you? You don't know. You kept lying. Every day when they ask you about EPA, every day you submit documents to finish authority. It is every day that Musa submits documents. Every day, we are still submitting documents. I thought you said you have, everything is in your power, you want to bring Ekpa back. Oh, now you realize that Finland is a sovereign nation. Is it? You now realize that that same Finland is now a sovereign nation, that they have their own procedure. But why were you lying to people? Why were you lying before? That, that Ekpa will have submitted all of the evidences, exhibits, that Ekpa will still be extradited. It's no more extradition. Can you see how dumb you people are in the head? And then somebody came the other day, was writing, I read your comment section, you were writing rubbish on my comment section, that can't you see, Nigerians are scared of coming to Finland to defend themselves, but the ambassador is here in Nigeria. How dumb you people can be. When you people speak, we know that Nigeria poverty mentality has eaten you people deep not to think outside the box. That woman honestly came to resume in her office, and by every means necessary, by right, by constitution, she has to go and meet with the president, because that is the person she will be working in their country. And now the criminal drug lord media teams fired the internet. They have come to discuss bilateral agreement on how to extradite. Can you see how dumb you people are? When people that are reasoning, people like us are reasoning to come and tell you what is actually going on in the Western world, you don't want to hear. You want to hear that lies from Nigeria because they call them government, because they wear uniform. By the way, you people should understand that Tinubu is an illegitimate president. Illegitimate. And we will keep hammering it on his head. That as long as our leader, Onyendu Nnamdi Kanu, is still detained in DSSS dungeon, bro, nothing is happening. Maybe even because self-determination is not a crime, self-defense is not a crime, as enshrined in the UN Charter. The same thing, that is what we are doing to defend our people. And I wonder why, in some cases, self-determination becomes a crime in other countries. When it concerns the Africans, it becomes a crime. When people are defending themselves, they call those people terrorists. Why is it like that? I need to ask the world this question, because it's only in the Western world that self-determination is not a crime. Self-defense is not a crime. But if it happens in any other African country, they call them terrorists and bandits. Example, Dr. Cho Ayoba, fighting for the independence of his people. And now we arrested him, picked him up. And they didn't go to Cameroon to ask what is the problem. Investigate this poor bear that has been there since I was born. And they arrested Dr. Cho Ayoba today. It is only in Africa when a leader said enough is enough. When some group of people comes to say enough is enough, this is who will want to become our leader. No, it is not the case. So where is that self-defense? Where is those laws that works in the Western world? It doesn't work in Africa, is it? This is a question I'm putting out there for the world to answer. Does this law not work in Africa? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu started his agitation. A British national. Nigerian government went as far as Kenya to kidnap this individual, and no sanction has been given to Nigeria. That is why they are all messing up everywhere. That is why Nigerian government can mess up everywhere. That is why they can be killing the Igbos, go to the southeast and kill our people. And then Christopher Musa with his boys will now bring armored tankers to where innocent, peaceful Igbos are living to destroy their houses. And the world is seeing all this. So does it mean that we, the Africans, does not have right to self-determination? If the constitution is going to be changed because of Africans, let us know. Went as far as Kenya, kidnapped a man that was fighting for the freedom of his people. Brought him back to Nigeria. Today, what is the problem? From one court case to another. And the Nigerian courts has discharged and acquitted this man. The Nigerian government stay of execution over its own citizen. I wonder where in the world this has ever happened. And this man is languishing in DSSS dungeon for 5 years. And the world is silent. And I keep asking, what is really going on? Is this self-determination only applicable to the Westerners and is not applicable to the Africans? That is my question. Our Prime Minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa, was defending his land from these Western aggressions and from this Nigerian terrorist army. Being asked to come to the southeast to kill our people, headed by Musa. Our Prime Minister started defending us, defending the land, defending our forests, defending our farmlands, homes. Nigerian government wrote petition without any investigation before they invited our Prime Minister. Our Prime Minister was taken down. And the world is just quiet. All this evil happening. The same UN that is speaking today was the same UN that gave Nigeria 6-month ultimatum to release and arrest and compensate adequately to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and bring all the people that went for that mission of kidnap from Kenya to Nigeria, to bring them to book. Nigeria never paid attention to that. Nigeria never responded to that. And they are quiet. The world is quiet. The EU is quiet. The UN is quiet after flouting the orders of the EU. And now we say, let us take the bull by the horn ourselves. And now you people are arresting everybody that is fighting our cause. What is the problem? What is happening? Is the Western world law meant for only the Westerners? Because this is what we need to know. Realistically, this thing is no longer making any sense. The black man will talk, they will beat him down, they will bring him down. How many times has the black man gone to the Europe or go to any parliament in the Europe and said, no, this is not how you must divide your country. This is how I want you to divide your own country. And that stands. How many times have we come to the Western world and tell you how to live your lives? But why do you do it in Africa? And yet you call us dumb ass, dumb heads. And I want the Nigerian government to know this, that without the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, everything that is mentioned Nigeria in the southeast, I think you people should know that very soon, things will start happening. Things will start happening because self-defense is not a crime. Fighting for your self-defense is not a crime. And fighting for your freedom is not a crime, as enshrined in UN Charter 51. So please, the world should listen carefully. Tinubu is a drug lord. Now, Selina Selin from Finland came to Nigeria to submit a resumption letter, and sat down to discuss with her. All of a sudden, it becomes a crime that this lady has come to talk about Mazi Ekpa. So you see, when I tell you people that the media carries propaganda a lot. The media are the people who communicate information to the public. Nigerian stream media is very bad. They are very worst. So do not listen to them. Do not listen to them because they will come put fear in you. Biafra mandate, we are standing on our mandate. Tinubu stood on his mandate. And Christopher Musa should know that Biafra is now a sovereignty. It's a sovereign nation, so he should remove his terrorist army from our land. We are telling you now, you think we are joking. You think we are playing. You think because when you come and talk, because you are a general, you wear that nonsense uniform, your pride, your ego rises. So please remove your terrorist army from our land, because I'm not going to say what you don't want to hear, but please remove all your terrorist army and your institutions, your police, starting from your police, your army, your navy. Every institution that is being owned by Nigerian government should be removed in our land. Should be removed. And Biafrans, our Prime Minister will join us very soon. So forget all this propaganda that they're propagating on the internet. And the Nigerian government, you people can't come to Finland to defend all your shenanigans. You can't come there. I know you cannot come. You cannot come. I have betted you people. Biako Juku, thank you so much. I keep thanking you for what you have done to your people, for the evil that they use you to do to the Biafrans. But I believe that after Tinubu's 4 or 8 years, you remain in the West. You don't come to the Southeast, because if you come, I don't know the face you used to walk on the streets, because who shame know the shame. Shame no go ever shame am. But if you decide to come back, then any egu obuna Biafrans play for you, you will dance to it. Biafrans, believe that we're heading home. Trust me on this one. Peace.
My wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, don't say and say everywhere now I don't read. As it be like this, so make sure share the video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section for this last one. Don't forget to follow this channel so that you could get updates back to back. It's still there for Balaba G's.